Jerry Jones played beer pong with Post Malone, rocked an icy Dallas Cowboys chain, and made it rain on his team's best players, and the amazingness was all captured on video. It was all part of the Cowboys' surprise schedule reveal film on Wednesday evening, and the cameo Posty made with the Dallas owner for the flick was pretty damn incredible. The video starts with the singer playing the role of a postman delivering Dallas' 2021 schedule to Jerry, and then things get wild. Schedule release got him saying wow. Thanks, at Post Malone, winking face. Tickets available via @SeatGeek https://t.co/djv807 guopic.twitter.com/wvn2fbtd2c. Dallas Cowboys, at Dallas Cowboys, May 13, 2021 at Dallas Cowboys. "78-year-old Jerry tells Post, 'You know, I love this day. Let's go celebrate,' and then the two hit the BP table. There were shots made, shots blocked, and even some custom Jerry Crocs involved. Post then slapped his famous cowboy strip on the owner, before the two grabbed some pocket schedules and made them rain all over Dak Prescott and Ezekiel Elliott. It's hilarious. Seriously. Of course, it's all fun and games right now, but the reality is Dallas has to now open its season against Tom Brady and the Super Bowl champion Bucs in less than 4 months. At least playtime was fun while it lasted.